Your greatest comeback is still ahead. Life has a way of making us question our future. A prayer goes unanswered. A relationship falls apart. A dream takes longer than expected. A door closes that you were certain God would open. And before long, discouragement begins whispering, maybe this is how your story ends. But today, I want to remind you of something that can completely change the way you see your life. God is a God of new beginnings. No matter how difficult your past has been, no matter how many mistakes you've made, no matter how many times you've fallen, God has never stopped writing your story. We often believe that failure is the final chapter. God sees failure as another opportunity to display his grace. Think about Peter. He loved Jesus. He believed in Jesus. Yet when fear entered his heart, he denied even knowing him 3 times. Imagine the guilt Peter carried. Imagine replaying those moments over and over again. Many people would have believed they were disqualified forever. But Jesus didn't see Peter as a failure. He saw Peter's future. After the resurrection, Jesus didn't reject him. He restored him. He forgave him. He gave him purpose again. That is the heart of God. He doesn't define you by your worst moment. He defines you by his love and his purpose for your life. Perhaps today you're allowing yesterday's mistakes to control today's decisions. You're afraid to dream again because you've been disappointed before. You're afraid to trust again because you've been hurt before. You're afraid to move forward because you failed before. But hear this truth. Your past may explain your pain, but it does not determine your future. God has the power to redeem every chapter of your life. Sometimes we think we have missed God's plan. We think we waited too long, made too many mistakes, lost too many opportunities. But God's grace is greater than every regret. Nothing catches him by surprise. The doors that closed didn't confuse him. The delays didn't change his plan. The disappointments didn't cancel your purpose. God is still leading you. Every season has been shaping you. The difficult moments have taught you compassion. The waiting seasons have built patience. The battles have strengthened your character. Even the pain has produced wisdom that success could never teach. The strongest trees are not the ones that never face storms. They are the ones whose roots grew deeper because of them. God is strengthening your roots. One day, people will admire the strength they see in you. They won't realize it was built during nights of prayer, seasons of waiting, and moments when only God knew how much you were struggling. Those hidden seasons are never wasted. Heaven never overlooks faithful obedience. Every prayer matters. Every act of kindness matters. Every moment you choose hope instead of despair matters. God sees what no one else sees. He notices the quiet faithfulness that the world ignores. And at the right time, he brings a harvest. Sometimes we ask God to remove every mountain. Instead, he teaches us how to climb, because climbing develops strength. Climbing develops endurance. Climbing teaches us to depend on him instead of ourselves. If life had always been easy, we would never discover how faithful God truly is. Look back over your own life. Remember the seasons you thought would destroy you. Remember the nights you wondered if things would ever change. Remember the moments you felt completely alone, yet somehow you're still here. You survived, not because you were strong enough by yourself, but because God carried you when your strength was gone. The same God who sustained you yesterday will sustain you tomorrow. His love has not changed. His promises have not changed. His power has not changed. And his purpose for your life has not changed. Maybe today you're standing in front of a closed door. Don't assume God has said no. Perhaps he's preparing a better door. Perhaps he's protecting you from something you cannot see. Perhaps he's working on details that only heaven understands. God's delays are never empty. Every moment has purpose. Every step has direction. Every season is moving you closer to the person he created you to become. So stop speaking defeat over your life. Stop telling yourself it's too late. Stop believing your best days are behind you. As long as God gives you another sunrise, he is giving you another opportunity, another chance to grow, another chance to forgive, another chance to believe, another chance to become the person He designed you to be. Walk into each new day expecting God to move. Pray with expectation. Lie with gratitude. Speak words of hope. Trust His timing, even when you don't understand it. Because God's greatest miracles often begin when people believe nothing good can happen anymore. Don't allow temporary circumstances to convince you that God has stopped working. The author of your story is still writing, and He specializes in unexpected endings. The chapter you're living today is not the conclusion. There are still pages to be written. There are still blessings to discover. There are still prayers waiting to be answered. There are still miracles you haven't seen. Keep moving forward. Keep trusting. Keep praying. Your greatest comeback is not behind you. By God's grace, your greatest comeback is still ahead.